Welcome back to another episode of the English Machi, where we make English as easy as a Sunday morning. I'm Rocky.
And I'm Pooja. Machi, we are so glad you're here. Last video, we made it through the airport, but now we've landed and we're exhausted. All we want is a bed.
But before you can jump on that king-size bed, you have to face the front desk. Checking into a hotel in English can be tricky, especially when they ask you about incidentals or vouchers.
Oh, I hate the word incidentals. It sounds like something went wrong.
It just means extra costs like the minibar. Today, we are changing our flow. We're going to listen to a real-life check-in, and then we're going to break down the grammar. Specifically, how to use polite requests using would you mind and could I.
This is so important because being polite at a hotel often gets you a better room.
Exactly. If you're ready to level up your travel English, hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the scene. Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand Machi Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hi there. I'd like to check in, please. I have a reservation under the name Pooja.
Let me pull that up for you. Yes, I see it here. A deluxe suite for 3 nights.
That's correct.
Great. I'll just need your passport and a credit card for incidentals.
Here you go. Is breakfast included in my stay?
It is. Breakfast is served in the lobby restaurant from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Here is your key card. You're in room 402 on the 4th floor.
Thank you. Would you mind having someone help me with my bags? They are quite heavy.
Of course. The bellhop will meet you at the elevators.
One more thing. Could I get a late checkout for Thursday? My flight isn't until 6 p.m.
I can note that on your file. Please check back with us on Wednesday morning to confirm if the room is available. Okay, Pooja, that went smoothly. But did you notice the specific phrases you used to get what you wanted?
I noticed I didn't just say, help me with bags. I said, would you mind helping me?
Perfect. Let's look at that grammar. Machi, when you want to be extra polite, we use this structure.
So I can't say, would you mind help me?
No, it must be helping. Let's practice some other hotel examples. Pooja, how would you ask for a quiet room?
Would you mind giving me a room away from the elevator?
Excellent. And how about could I?
Could I is followed by the base verb. Could I have a late checkout?
Exactly. These are modal verbs for politeness. In a hotel, the staff is trained to be very formal, so if you use these phrases, they will respect you more and likely help you faster.
Rocky, the room is beautiful, but listen to that noise. I can't sleep like this.
This is where most students get stuck. They're too shy to complain. Let's go back to the front desk.
Excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you, but there is a problem with my room.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the issue?
The guests in the room next to me are having a very loud party. It's quite noisy.
I apologize for the inconvenience. Let me call their room and ask them to keep it down.
Actually, I have a big meeting tomorrow. Is it possible to move to a different room?
Let me check our system. We do have a similar room available on the 7th floor. It's much quieter.
That would be great. Thank you for understanding.
Not a problem at all. I'll send someone up right away to help you move your luggage. See, by staying calm and using the phrase, is it possible to, Pooja got a whole new room.
It's all about the how, not just the what.
Machi, today we learned, number 1, under the name, how to announce your reservation. 2, incidentals, those pesky extra costs. 3, would you mind plus ing, the king of polite requests. And 4, is it possible to, the best way to ask for a change.
We hope this helps you on your next trip.
Question of the day. Have you ever had a problem at a hotel? How did you solve it? Tell us in the comments.
And don't forget to check out our episode 11 on airport English if you missed it.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.